Hello, it's the Food Governor. I'm here today in Leicester at Chicken Licken. It's the first review of the page, and I've heard it's a really, really good place. It's known for its special doner and chips, so I'm going to give it a review today and see how it goes. Yeah, so we're here now. The food's ready, and it's piping. I'll show them the food. Oh my God, look at that doner. Caramelized onions. You got the fat chips there at the bottom. Can you see the fat chips? Let's give it a bite now and see how it is. Fat chips doner, caramelized onions, and their special sauce. This is heaven. Another bite. I've put the fork on it as well. Who cares about the fork? Big bite for a big lad as always. It's spicy, it's sweet, and the flavour is absolutely lovely. It's like a sweet chilli sauce on there. It's got the tang of ketchup. It's their own special sauce. It's a secret sauce, they won't tell anybody. But the caramelized onions go with it so well. And I'm not going to lie, I have to give this a 9.7. And that's from the Food Governor. So this is the special doner from Licken Chicken. I recommend this to you all. You should all come down and try this. I'd say, I've had Naga doner before. I don't think Naga even comes anywhere near to this. It's that good of a doner. This is the real special doner, I'll be honest here. And how much was it? How much was it?
$7.50.
$7.50, yeah. For $7.50, a portion like that. Show them the portion.
You cannot go wrong.
You can't go wrong, okay? You can see it's flavoursome. You can see it's saucy. Okay, you don't need no sauce with this. It's just lovely. And stay tuned for the next video.